Hello CAD users and welcome back to another Did You Know? I believe this is Did You Know number 12. Did you know that you can change the background color that you're working on? And did you know there's a good reason why you could or should change the background color? Typically, CAD systems have used a black background. This would use less energy and be less strain on the eyes. Let's have a look at how that would appear. Select this icon, change background color. Choose either a color from this color palette, from this color palette, or if you're looking just for gray tones, then we can choose these ones here, black, white, and a series of tones in between them. So select one, hit the apply button, and you'll see how that will look. If you're happy with it, then you can select OK. But as you can probably see, there's less light coming at you, and so your eye strain should theoretically be a little less. The problem arises that it doesn't look the same here as it will when you then print it, because we're typically printing onto a white background paper. The alternative is to choose a grey, and this is a very common choice. So you'll choose a grey colour, typically around this mid-greys, okay? But we do have users that will go for a grey that's not too dark, not too black, but not too light, so it's just a personal choice. So they'll choose a grey and they'll apply that. This gives you still a relatively not so much in your face brightness, but it also allows you to still see all of the colours that you're working with. One of the problems of working in the black is that you can't then use black text or black lines. Let's have a look at what would happen, of course, if we chose all of those elements and those elements were black in color. So we'll choose the color range. I'll choose color 9 in this case. They're black. If we had a black background, then of course they will disappear and you'll think that there's nothing actually going on there. But the truth is they're still there, and use the colors, the background colors to your advantage. The color of the background is stored with the drawing. So when you reopen a drawing that you've chosen a particular background color in, it will reopen with that background color. You can also lock that as your standard background color for all future projects by selecting this tool. We're in trial mode, but selecting this tool and then set as system defaults. Click on this and it will save that away. You can also change the background color by typing in actual values here, okay, or by choosing the color bar again from this area. So you can either choose it from this icon and make the change here, or you can change the background color from within this dialog, the system options dialog box. I hope this is easy on your eyes, easy on your ears, and you're going to have a wonderful day. I look forward to hearing from you and seeing you next time in another Did You Know?